Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm going to be making for you minced turbot, queen triggerfish. If you want to see how I achieve this, then continue watching. Okay, here I have one turbot that has already been cleaned and skinned, and it was set on the boil with some green peppers, onions, celery, lime, salt, all the seasoning, and of course a little bit of water. So I'm just taking them out of the pot to debone them with a fork. That's the head. I'll do that later. The fish is already seasoned, so I'm just going to try and take the meat off the bone, just like this. This is a very thick meat fish. The meat is very thick, so this is the way that I've learned to cook it. Prepare it like this by mincing it. Now, my grandmother, she was a lover of this turbot fish. Every time the fishermen would come over from Spanish Wells, she'd ask for this. She'd make a request for this or the hingies. The little ones that grow into groupers. She loves those as well. She loved those. She's passed. She's gone on to glory. Amen. So I've learned to do it like this. I've learned this way from my brother-in-law, all the way in Bimini. Benjamin Roll. I had this once before over there when we went to their wedding, and he made this. Man. He had that loaded with pepper, for God's sake. But it was good. I thought I was eating minced lobster. It was good. So I've made it several times, and I thought I'd share it with you. When my son-in-law came with the fish, I was like, wow, I can just put this up on my channel. And here I am today, deboning them, taking all of the bone out, taking off the meat. Just pay attention. Now this fish has some serious bones, so you really have to pay attention. This is the head, just getting the meat off the cheek area. The head doesn't have that much meat. Right there, the big piece here. Right there, that's it. Not meat here, not much meat here. Another piece on the cheek. Okay. It's like a medium-sized one. We call them turbot fish, but the correct name is queen triggerfish. I'm just getting all of the goodness out, off of the bone. That's the meat. This is excellent for kids to eat. But the person who is preparing it, you need to really make sure that you get most, if not all of the bones out. So you have to really check it out thoroughly. Taking off some of the brown pieces. That's a part of the cheek. After taking them off, now I'm just going to search for the bones. Trust me, bones are in this. And the hands, the fingers, are the best tool for it, because you can feel the bones. And this is my pot, so I'm using my hands. My hands are clean. This is my pot. I got to get the bones out. And I'm still bringing the restaurant home. We're having minced turbot today with yellow rice, plantains, coleslaw, and of course fried pork chops in A1 sauce. I have to show you that. That's another bone. Got to get them out. This fish was my grandma's favorite. Oh my word. She would make this with, I showed you in the other video how to make the rice pillau when I was making the minced lobster. She made grits below. For God's sake, that was good with the steamed turbot. But she'd only give you such a small portion. And I would just eat my own quickly so she can give me some more. Or sometimes my grandfather would give me some of his. Yep, I had great grandparents. Papa was so smart. Oh my word. Man, got to get the bones. Like I said, the fingers are the best tools for this. This is the longest part right here, trying to get all of the bones out of the meat. Be raking it with the fork. I might have raked some of the bones in. Because the fish is cooked, it was boiled for a few moments. Okay, now I'm just adding some lime juice. All over it, and I'm going to check them again just to make sure, because I have a little daughter here. The first piece of bone she come across is going to turn her off. Nobody wants to eat bone. Come across bone while eating small pieces of fish like this. No. That really is a turn off. Now I'll just chop up these here. I have a piece of bell pepper, onion, celery, and 1 clove of garlic. This is what Mr. Thompson left when he put the fish on. That's all of the sweet pepper that was left. He used almost an entire medium bell pepper just to boil a fish. Oh my word. So at least he left a piece. That's sufficient. I'll make it do. Now the onion. I like them like that. Sliced. Cut it in half and then you just run the sharp knife through it. This is minced turbot, queen triggerfish. This is still Bahamian cooking. Okay, that's the garlic. So I'm just going to give that a good smash. And then I can chop it up. This is going to really set it off. Now the fish has already been seasoned, so I don't have to add a lot of seasoning to this. Nope. You don't want it salty. Less is always best. Too much salt is going to mess up the pot. Okay, last check. Final bone check. Doesn't hurt to check again, does it? Never know what you would come across. This was my grandma's favorite, turbot fish. Now it's time to prepare it. I'm adding the oil to the pot. To the oil, I'm going to add some butter. This is, I can't believe it is not butter. So that's the oil and that's the butter. Get everything nearby. So I'm going to allow this to melt in the oil. The stove is on medium. This is very easy to make, and it's tasty too. So you can also have this with white rice, peas and rice, whatever type of rice you make, veggie rice. But today we are having it with yellow turmeric rice. Oh my word, made with garlic and butter. So it's gonna be lit here tonight at the Thompsons. Get this all mixed up. Now with this, you wouldn't want to leave the pot because I have the garlic in here, and the garlic is very easy to cook, burn. So you want to really keep an eye on this. Don't take your eye off this. And on top of that, I have them cut really small, so they're really easy to burn. They cook quickly. You just want them to get soft. Before you add anything else. Oh, it smells wonderful. Oh my word. Yes. Goodness here today. Now I'm adding the minced fish. Look at it. Nice and white. This is meat. Minced turbot. Oh yes, that's it. Need to try some of this with some bread. Make a sandwich. Should go well. Still searching for bones. Oh yes. Still searching. Okay, so now it's time for the tomato paste. The fish is already cooked, so I don't need a long time to do its thing. So after the onion and all that are already translucent and soft, add the fish. Let it go for a few minutes. Then you just go on from there. So that's a little bit of tomato paste. Just opened this morning, so I can just use the rest that's in the tin. This can, I added a little bit of water, a few drops of water, just to get it out. Okay. Now I don't like it really wet, so I don't add a lot of water. Just a little bit. Okay. There's not a lot of liquid in there. Get that mixed up. All of the flavors at the bottom. Fish has already been seasoned, so it doesn't require a lot of salt now. Nope. Or pepper. Adding a little bit of thyme, cooking thyme. Okay, stems and all. That's what my Grammy would say. Stems and all. Cooking time. All right. Get this together. This is minced turbot. Queen triggerfish. Oh my word, this looks wonderful already. Okay, I've already shut the temperature off, and I'm just going to allow it to simmer. Just a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, because I said everything was seasoned before. Alright, that should do it. Just a pinch. You season it to your taste. Don't put a bunch of salt, because if you put a bunch of salt, you're not going to enjoy it. And too much salt isn't good for your health. searching for bones. Oh yes. Still looking. Still looking, searching, looking for bones. This is minced turbot. My grandma's favorite fish. May her soul rest in peace. You can cook it the way you would do regular fish, but I love to do it this way. There you have it. That's it right there. That's the minced turbot. Oh my word, look at that. It's calling my name. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Share it out. Check the description box for all of the ingredients that I've used. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.